Hello, class 6 students. How are you? Today I'm going to discuss Aunt Martha. Regarding Aunt Martha. Already I have made 2 and 3 video on this chapter, and today I'm going to make a last number video on this chapter. Okay, you know very well what is the name of this chapter. Okay, now I'm going to discuss page number 26. Page number 26. Already I have finished page number 25 and 24 in my previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, student, then it is my request to kindly see my previous video, then you can understand the next part of the chapter very easy way without any hesitation and problem. Okay, now I'm going to start. Here is a brief conversation between Bob and Aunt Martha. Okay, already I have discussed regarding Bob. Today I'm going to start from here. Aunt Martha. Aunt Martha and Bob. Here's a brief conversation between Aunt Martha and Bob. What was the conversation? I'm going to discuss it. Try to understand the concept of this story. Aunt Martha, Bob, you did not expect anybody's feeling, and that invite everybody. Who was telling? Aunt Martha telling. Why? Because Bob doesn't give any respect to anyone. Okay, it was his nature. You shouldn't have gone about drumming the whole day. It means what? Whenever he will free, then every time he will be drumming, only drumming, and he will disturb to others. Okay, the right way was to practice in at one time, not in whole day, according to Aunt Martha. It would then have been more musical shooting, not irritating. I purposely placed Coco near you to teach you a lesson. It means what? Aunt Martha wanted to teach Bob because Aunt Martha knows very well Bob always disturbs to everybody. So Aunt Martha made a plan and Aunt Martha succeeded in her plan. Okay. Now Bob. Yes, Aunt Martha, I now realize my mistake. Who was telling? Aunt Martha was telling, yes, Aunt Martha, I now realize my mistake. Please tell me what I should do. It is a great pleasure because Martha gave Aunt Martha gave him a right track. Okay, and Bob followed it and he realized it. Clear? Aunt Martha, do you want to prove to everybody that you can also be respectful and caring for others? It means what? Bob? Yes, Aunt Martha. I really want everybody to know that I have realized my mistake and I do respect their feelings. It means what? Before few lines, I have told that Bob was not giving any respect to anyone. But with the help of Aunt Martha changed his opinion. Now Bob totally changed. He gives respect to everybody. Clear? And he understood his mistake. Aunt Martha, start reconstructing. Reconstructing means what? To build again. To build again. Clear? Start reconstructing. Coco, start reconstructing. Then everybody will be friend with you again. If you are, it means what? If Bob will go on the right track, then everybody will give him respect. If he will not go on the right track, then nobody will give respect. It means what? According to Aunt Martha, what was Aunt Martha telling? If he will give respect, if you will give respect, then you will get the respect. According to Aunt Martha. Bob, Aunt Martha, I will do it. Who was telling? Bob was telling, I will do it. It means I will do it means what? Bob will give the respect to everybody. I will spend all my time with Cuckoo and reconstruction him. It was a mistake that he fell down. I will rebuild him. Whose mistake? Bob's mistake. What happened? He fell down and it destroyed. You can see it in the picture very well. He is reconstructing. Okay. Bob spent 2 days. He is Bob. He spent 2 days to reconstructing of it, hardly getting any sleep. He did not sleep. Only reconstructing, continuously reconstructing, hardly getting any sleep. Finally, he finished putting Cuckoo back. Again, he made it. Okay. Cuckoo, Bob, thanks a lot for bringing me back. Bob, no, Cuckoo, no. Please don't say that. It was my mistake that I pushed you off the table. Please forgive me for all that. Whose mistake? It was the mistake of Bob. Now, he rectified his mistake. He reconstructed it. Cuckoo. Hey, don't worry about that. Oh, my ears. What is that noise? Wow, it's Cuckoo. The Cuckoo, it makes this noise the whole day. It means what? Cuckoo, come back. Cuckoo, I can hear that. That's same as yours. Bob, I know my drumming. I'm really sorry. It means what? Cuckoo was producing sound and Bob was also producing sound. But now the things is totally different. They have changed it already. By the whose help? Aunt Martha. Aunt Martha was the cord of communication between Cuckoo and Bob. Bob, Cuckoo, hey, that's okay. Come. I will make you a pair of those special earplugs. It means what? He will make. Cuckoo will make a special earplugs. Clear? Bob, thanks, Cuckoo. That's a lot. Thanks a lot. I think I will finally be able to get some sleep now. It means what? Previously he was not sleeping very well, but now he can sleep it very well. Bob finally earned everyone's friendship. He could not. He could do so only because he realized the importance of respecting others and their feelings. Aunt Martha placed Cuckoo cloak far away from the playroom. It means what? Aunt Martha plays Cuckoo. Why? Aunt Martha plays Cuckoo because he will produce sound again. That's why Aunt Martha plays Cuckoo clock far away from the playroom. Okay, that I have discussed till here. Okay, you will. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe in the channel and don't forget to complete your exercise. Those questions are given. You will complete it. Thanks for watching.